Oh, welcome.
Thank you for watching. I'm from Japan.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah. Habeen hore ayaa waxaan ka washiikeysanay in ay xirato dresska Somalida. Marka the time is now. I have here Somalian dress. Oh my God. We call garabsar. Yeah, garabsar, and we call gorogoro.
Gorogoro?
Yeah.
Oh, it's easy to pronounce.
Gorogoro.
Gorogoro?
Yeah, gorogoro. And this dira.
Dra?
Yeah, dra.
Dra.
Dra, yeah. Sawira tus doona oo ay qaabkaas u xiran doonto like this.
Okay, yeah.
Can?
Yes, maybe.
Or I will help you.
Yeah, maybe. I need your help.
Okay, no problem. Ana caawinay. Waxay ka bilaabay ku inay gorgorada wato. The same one you have now? Stand up. I only see. What? Gorgor way boy. You have already.
It's similar, yeah.
But yeah, it's different.
Yeah, different.
This is the real one we have. First, wear this one. Okay, and this we call dra, صح? Yeah.
Okay.
This is called dra.
Which is in front?
والله مو أقول صوت له هارخان لو أنت كسوق هذه. I think yeah, this one.
Okay.
This in front.
Okay, this in front.
Half design here.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah. Okay, you can wear like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Like this?
Yes.
Oh, it's easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
Oh my God! You look cute. Yeah, and this your size.
Yeah, it's my size.
Yeah, this
Wow,
is your size.
thank you.
The last one, this one. This for garabsar. Garabsar. So lo khata hai garabsar. Wow.
For my...
Wire type
for
the hair.
Okay.
Okay,
Up.
upside.
Like this?
I show you like this.
Okay.
You can try.
No.
Okay, try.
Tight.
Okay.
Oh, but it's difficult.
Wait, I try.
Okay.
Come. Like some like so bloody no. La, come close to me. Sorry.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
لكن gabadh يا خاني gabadh I don't know sorry.
Good.
I think this is small one.
Ah.
I think this is small one, but I try no problem.
Okay.
Can you bag your hairs?
Okay, yeah.
Like this, yeah, okay. Now, even the face for hijab.
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 I
this
know
is,
hijab.
Yeah, it's
heard
looking
it
like
before.
hijab. Come close. Yes.
Yes?
We get it now.
Okay.
Some ladies we do like this. Mommies.
Oh.
Yeah, they're doing like this. That's well. Oh my God. You look great, beautiful. Yeah. Sidaan ay noqotay Kiyoka. Now I will give you citizen, Somalian citizen.
Oh, thank you. I want.
You want?
Yeah.
You want Somalian citizen?
Can I have both Japan citizen?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can. When you go Somalia, I will register Somalia. like you are my wife.
Right?
Yeah, we
like
can do
your
it.
wife?
Yeah.
Wow.
If I marry you, we can give you citizen Somalia.
Oh, so you also can get Japanese
Yes.
citizen.
Also, okay. For me, can I get citizen Japanese?
Yeah, if I married...
If I marry you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think yes.
I think what yeah, I will give you no problem when we go Somalia.
Okay.
inay tahay ilays u sheegay yartuye iftiinkii nolosha ayaaduna tahay inay tahay ilays u sheegay